Got him. Stuck him. Little guy. But I got one. He took it. Yeah, I see him. Little bass. But yeah, I got one. I got one. I think I got one, y'all. Yep, I got one. Ooh, that's a big motherfucker too. Yes, sir. I got him. Ooh, you're a big boy too, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Check this big boy out. I'm out the way too. $2.70 pounds. Ooh. Check him out. Got me one. A nice one. Nice bass today. I seen. Yes, sir. Fishing Indiana, boy. This how we doing it. Here we go again so y'all can see. Get out of here. Got it. Got another. Got another one, y'all. Bass number 2 on the weight list. On the weight list stick, whatever y'all call it. Bass number 2, y'all. Let's go.